Hey guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be styling these spring twists. I did these spring twists myself not even a full week ago, and if you're interested in seeing exactly how I did them, I will link that video up in the cards and down in the description box. So I like wearing them down. I think this is cute, but we're gonna see how many different cute looks I can come up with. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so and click the notification bell so you're always notified whenever I upload. I upload once a week. So let's just get started with the styling portion of this video. So I think I showed you guys 10 different hairstyles, but I'm not completely sure. These styles will work on any braids you might be wearing right now. It doesn't necessarily have to be spring twist, but let me know down below which style was your favorite, or if you'll be trying spring twist out on your hair. I think the side ponytail is personally my favorite. Of course, you guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else. subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.